Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the mod pack runs and the Quests mod is active. This lets the quest book appear. Once open, scan tabs to understand categories and prerequisites, then accept the initial quest so the system tracks your progress. Make sure to claim any starter rewards immediately. They often include tools or items you need next. After claiming, organize inventory and craft basic tools as instructed. This keeps the workflow smooth and avoids backtracking later. Now you follow each quest's how-to. Read the objectives carefully because quantities and exact item names matter. Begin gathering resources or crafting required parts. If automation is available and permitted, set up simple machines to speed things. While working, keep checking the quest UI to mark progress and confirm accepted items. Some quests need manual submission through the quest GUI or an NPC. Once items are submitted, review reward details and plan the next quest step to finish, claim rewards and follow any chained quests that open. These often unlock critical tech or recipes. Once done, use filters or the search box to jump to the next goal and avoid wasted time. If progress stalls, try a quick reload or relog to sync client and server. Make sure items match quest requirements exactly, including NBT or metadata, because mismatches block submissions. If problems persist, check your permissions and ensure the quest configs weren't changed on the server.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.